Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the MDM Minute. So, after some initial thought, we have decided to go forward with the Receiving Workshop version 2 evolution. Okay, Receiving Workshop 1 was a revolution. Now, Receiving Workshop number 2 is going to be a completely new evolution. I am going to take you to a place that I have never taken anyone publicly and or privately before, utilizing some of the core components of the core cleanse in the Receiving Workshop version 1 to literally split apart your light body and your physical body, and then allow that core to come in and open up those receiving channels for all time. And again, folks, we're going to keep it based as a donation workshop. So the pricing structure will remain the same as the first version. If you feel that you have gotten a lot out of the first one and you want to partake in version 2 and you want to donate some more, that's great. That helps out myself and the whole team. Of course, these workshops, they take a lot out of me. They take a lot of work to organize. To get the emails out, to get the web page done, and again, they're donation-based workshops. So, Receiving Workshop version 2 Evolution is a go. It's going to be November 13th at 9 p.m. Eastern, approximately. We'll have an email and a web page up in the next few days. Again, we're taking this to an entirely new level. I'm taking this group down the rabbit hole further and faster than I've ever taken anyone publicly. And if you read some of the testimonials coming in about the first version, then we're taking that to a whole nother level. So Receiving Workshop version 2 Evolution is on the way, folks. Watch your emails and sign up if you choose to. Thanks, folks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.